Okay, indices 2.3, question 1 on Wednesday the 18th of March. So, solve the following. So, we got 3 to the power of x equals 27. Well, if we're looking for if the x is up in the indices, we have to make our base numbers the same. So I'm going to express them both as 3. 27 is just 3 to the power of 3. So on the first one, x is equal to 3. Right, let's have a look at the second one. 2 to the power of x equals 64. And my x is up in my indices, so I need to make my base numbers the same. 2 squared is 4, 2 cubed is 8, 2 to the power of 4 is 16, 2 to the power of 5 is 32, and 2 to the power of 6 is 64. Again, just trial and error in your calculator. My base numbers are the same, so my indices must be the same. Part 3. 5 to the power of x equals 125. My indices is up here, my variable, the thing I'm looking for, is up in the indices, so I need to make my base numbers the same. So 5 to the power of x, 125, could be, so 5 squared is 25, and 5 cubed is 125. So I can, oh my god, 5 cubed. So my base numbers are the same, so my indices must be the same. X equals 3. Part 4. 10 to the power of x equals 1000. So my x is up in my powers, so I must make my base numbers the same. So 10 to the power of x, so I rewrite 1000. 10 squared is 100, 10 cubed is 1000. If my base numbers are the same, so my indices must be the same. X equals 3. Part 5. 5 to the power of 3x is equal to 15. No, it's not. It's equal to 5 to the power of 15. Now, hey, my base numbers are already the same. Oh my god. My base numbers are already the same. So my indices must be the same. 3x equals 15. 3 is multiplying x, so when it comes over, it divides. X must be equal to 5. By the way, if you're watching these on YouTube, you'll see at the bottom right-hand corner, you have an option to slow down or speed up the videos. In case I'm going too fast or too slow for you. Part 6. 7 to the power of x plus 2 equals 7 cubed. Excellent. My base numbers are already the same, so my indices must be the same. X plus 2 equals 3. X is equal to 3 minus 2. X is equal to minus 1. Right, here we go. Part 7, yeah. So I got 3 to the power of x minus 2 equals 3 to the power of 5. My base numbers are already the same, so my indices must be the same. X minus 2 equals 5, x equals to 5 plus 2. X is equal to 7. And last part of this question, 2 to the power of x equals 256. What I'm looking for, my x is up in my indices, so I must make my base numbers the same. Right, now 256, well, let's try that out. Let's try a high number. 2 to the power of 6 is 64. So let's try 2 to the power of 7. 2 to the power, 2 to the power of 7. No, that's not working. 2 to the power, and I just turned my calculator off. 2 to the power of 7 is 128, so that's too low. So let's try 2 to the power of 9. 512, so let's try 2 to the power of 8. 256. My base numbers are the same, so my indices must be the same. X is equal to 8.